Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can reset this service, whether it's A5 or B, whatever it is. What you'll need to do is turn it all off. If it's a push start, just turn it into ignition 1, okay, just one turn. Or if it's push start, just push it 1, so you've only got this sort of look. What we need to do is hold on to the power caller there, that button, and okay. But before you do this, you've got to be on this screen. So if you're on another screen, just make sure you're on that screen, go into the trip, whatever. So if you hit the back button, make sure you're on the trip section and you're on that section, okay? Once you've done that, like we said, hold on to that and okay. That and that, hold on to it until the screen changes. There we go. So once that's done, we then come down to Assist Plus by scrolling down. Once you're on there, hit OK. You need to turn the ignition on one more time. Hit OK. Come down to Full Service. Hit OK. Come all the way down. Confirm Service. Hit OK. And we will do, these are the oil grades really. We'll do that. We'll say yes. Confirm. Yes. Full service done. Now, if we take the key out, put the key back in, go back onto that section, look, we don't have no more warning. That's how you would do it. There we are.